This video will go over how to make a match file for multiple test versions of the same test. So I'm in my Remark server, click on desktop. Most websites outside of UCSD will not work, but since this match file website is inside of UCSD, you can use it inside of the Remark server. So this is the website right here. And the nice thing about the remote desktop is that you can copy paste between your computer and the remote desktop computer. So if I have my two tests right here, so this is version A, I'm going to highlight and copy. If you're switching from a Mac to a PC, if you're switching from a Mac to the Remark server, it's a PC, so you need to use Control, not Apple, when you're doing your copy paste. So I just Control V'd right there. So that's my version A. Then I have my version B right here. So I'm Apple A'ing and Apple C, and then I'm Control V'ing. This program is a little bit finicky, so you have to make sure that your questions have exactly the same spacing, the same punctuations, everything, or else it's gonna not work. So here is the number of test versions. I'm doing 2. There's only one version for the template. This is the delimiter, so it's just whether you're using a period or a parenthesis after each number so that it can find the where the questions start. And then I've entered 10 in for the number of questions. Then just press process test versions, and it will spit out a string of numbers. So all you have to do is highlight all of these and copy them. And then I've pasted my notepad in here. I'm going to just paste them into a notepad and save it as a text file. So again, you're going to want to save it inside of the Boombox folder and then inside of your specific class folder. This is important because the other TAs will then have access to this as opposed to saving it onto your desktop. But I'm going to save it onto my desktop. So I'm just saving it as matchfile.txt or matfile onto my desktop. Then we can use this in the future when we're grading.